Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nacine. I am 36. I have 4 beautiful children. I almost said kids, and which they are. I don't know why that mattered. A floofy, fluffy husky, 2 kitties, and I would really appreciate it if you gave me a clicky. Hit that like button. If you are new and you like what you see, consider subscribing. And I basically do vlogs. I tell you what I'm eating throughout the day in the life of keto, just daily struggles of a weight loss journey. So today for lunch, it's nothing special at all. I brought a Too Good, what is this? Mixed berry yogurt, a Premier caramel protein. This is 30 grams protein. 1 gram of sugar, 160 calories. These are really good if you mix them in your coffee. However, I'm just gonna chug this and get my protein in because I think these are really good. So I have that. Now I'm not necessarily gonna eat everything. I do have half of a Power Crunch bar. Now these are, and this is the triple chocolate. This is 9 net carbs. I would love if it was 4. This is 9 net carbs. Everybody is like raving about these. I don't know. I don't think that they taste that great. I would much rather have a Quest bar, to be honest. And for 9 carbs, I mean, that's so much to me. I don't want to spend that much carbs on a bar. I don't care about it, but I don't know if I'll eat that. And I also have a pack of this lemon and pepper bumblebee tuna. Got it at Dollar Tree. I'm not going to eat the bacon jerky. It's just going to sit in my... This is also 10 grams protein, 7 grams fat, 110 calories, and 1 carb for this entire little bag of that. That is from Dollar Tree as well. And so is this Hunter sausage from Dollar Tree. If you haven't seen it, I do have a top 10 Dollar Tree keto finds video that I did in a collaboration with Keto Fat Girl No More, and I will try to remember to link that so you can check that out. But those are from there. So that's what I'm eating. That's what I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna watch some YouTube. I gotta catch up on all of my YouTuber friends' video, and I will see you guys later.
I am going to grab some gas real quick, and then we'll have a little chit chat. My boss gave me 20 bucks for gas.
Real talk, guys, I just witnessed a woman inside the gas station with no shoes on in a Taco Bell uniform. Yeah. Yes, I was completely out of gas. Gas prices have gone up. What the heck? I just put 20 in my tank and I'm only just over a little half of a tank. For lunch, I did have the yogurt, the tuna, the Hunter sausage, and the Premier protein. So that was 8 net carbs. I did pretty well on my proteins. My fats are really low. So we'll see. I don't know what I'm going to have for dinner. Oh, I lied. I'm having egg roll in a bowl. So that should work out good. I have turkey. I'll finish off my protein right there because I got ground turkey. And I have broccoli slaw. As long as they took the turkey out of the freezer for me, that's what we will have. But that is what is planned. Not going to talk too long because, again, heat, sun. Yeah, it's still, I'm feeling much better than I was this morning, but I'm really not proud of myself because I know these things. I know I shouldn't have got the stuff. I argued with myself in my brain, and sometimes I win and sometimes I lose. Confession time. Recording this before I get to work. I'll be there in like 3 minutes. But last night, probably about between 8 and 9 p.m., I got into the Sola brand granola that has been in my cabinet forever. I was having a serious case of the munchies, and I don't know if it was because I didn't do my intermittent fasting yesterday, but seriously, I ate the rest of it with some almond milk, and I threw some pecans in there, and I was just like a crazy animal. So I didn't even track it. I know I had to have gone over on everything. And now today, I don't feel bloated, but I have gas. And it's not good gas. Okay, what kind of gas is good? But we're friends. I'm just being honest with you. Not gonna lie. I'm ready to get back on track today. I want to try to do like a low dairy experiment. Not completely dairy free. This truck is taking forever, okay? Not completely dairy free. But I want to still use heavy whipping cream. I want to lower it and just a little bit of cheese, but for the most part, cutting back on cheeses majorly. Sometimes my insides want to sometimes my brain doesn't listen to the side of my brain that wants to do better. And I think that's with everybody. Nobody is perfect. We all make mistakes. The important thing is that I woke up, I planned for my day to be keto, and I moved on with my life. And I am okay with that, and I've accepted it. And I didn't weigh. I'm not going to punish myself. I'm doing really well at not weighing during the week. And I'm just weighing on the weekends only. And it feels good. And I'm getting results that way. And I'm not stressing. And it's good. And I know you guys have told me that for so long. But I like to take a long time before I like to listen, okay? I think that's all I got for right now. So I'll talk to you guys later. So my plan for dinner tonight, I had everybody eat leftovers yesterday to get rid of them. So tonight's plan is egg roll in a bowl. So I got my turkey thawed, I got my broccoli slaw, and I did also buy this ginger for it. So I'm gonna get started making this. And I will dinner. This is like 143 grams of the broccoli slaw and like 180 grams of ground turkey. I seasoned it with some fresh Jax seasoning, and then there is some yum yum sauce on top. And I am having one of these truly berry hard seltzers. We are going on a walk. Look at my sunglasses dead sitting here. Oh, it's like all red. And this. Erica Time to Shrink told me that my skin was flawless. Okay. It's not. It's not flawless at all. Look at my nose. It looks silly. It looks like I busted my nose. Okay. Have a good day.